Good morning, dear students. How are you today? Fine? Did you study last time? I think so. Okay. If you remember last time, we talked about a strong woman, right? Who was like an idol for us. Why? Who is this woman first? This woman is Helen Keller, okay? You remember Helen Keller? This woman became blind, she couldn't see, and deaf, she couldn't hear when she was 18 months old. And her parents, we said that her parents hired a teacher to help her. This teacher was strict, but she had a lot of energy. And the name of this teacher was, you have to say with me, Anne Sullivan. Yes, right. Then Helen Keller improved and learned how to talk by feeling the mouth of this teacher when she talked, okay? Later, Helen Keller learned many languages like, as I remember, French, Latin, Greek, and many other languages. And she started writing books, okay? And the first book of hers was translated into more than 50 languages. So it was a successful one, okay? And then after that, we said that this woman met 12 US presidents, okay? And she traveled to many countries on many continents to defend the rights of the blind and deaf people, okay? Okay, today, Unit 1, Lesson 5, the same lesson, Part 2. This part is application on Helen Keller's story. We have questions in this part, okay? Like this. This is a talking question, okay? If we are in the classroom, we would do it better, but okay, we can do it now anyway. Discuss with your partner. Of course, there is no partner with you. Consider me your partner. Discuss with me which fact about Helen's life surprised you the most. Which thing made you surprised about Helen Keller's story? Okay? As for me, I was surprised to know that there is a blind and deaf girl who could learn and depend on her own, and then she could talk and make friends and meet presidents. So this was surprising for me. You may have some other items that surprised you too, okay? What do you think was the most important thing she did to help other blind people, okay? What do you think was the most important thing Helen did, to help the blind people? As for me, I think she raised money for organizations that helped blind people. In addition to that, she changed the people's view or point of view about the blind people. This was great, okay? Now people respect the blind people, okay? Because they can do everything like normal ones, okay? So this part was a speaking or talking part, and we finished it. Let's move to the next one. Okay, this is a question. I'll explain the question to you, and then you will pause the video, write the answers with a pen and a paper, and then come back to me. This question, find the phrases in the box, in the text, and match to a definition below or next to them. We have 6 definitions and 6 phrases, okay? And we have to identify and match the right phrase to the correct definition. Let's read the definitions first. When you find out more about something. Find out means discover, okay? Number 2, when you speak in front of a lot of people about something important. Number 3, when you write something for a magazine or a newspaper. Number 4, when you get a prize because you have done something very brave or important. Number 5, when you ask people to give money to a good cause. Okay? Number 6, when you attend a place to study something at a high level. Okay? These were the 6 definitions. Let's read the 6 phrases. Give a speech, receive an award, do research, write an article, go to college, and raise money. Now pause the video, write your answers, come back to me then to check your answers. Okay, let's check your answers after you did a good job. Okay, here, give a speech. Number 2, what's the definition number 2? Give a speech means when you speak in front of a lot of people about something important. This is the meaning of give a speech. Okay, so give a speech, definition number 2. Receive an award, definition number 4. Let's read number 4. When you get a prize because you have done something very brave or important. This is the meaning of receive an award, to get a prize. Okay? Do research, definition number 1. Do research, definition number 1. Let's read it. When you find out, when you discover more about something. This is the meaning of do research. Write an article, definition number 3. Let's read number 3. When you write something for a magazine or a newspaper, this is called write an article. Okay? So write an article, definition number 3. Go to college, definition number 6. Let's read it. Go to college, when you attend a place to study something at a high level. Okay? This is the meaning of go to college. Raise money, definition number 5. Raise money, definition number 5. Let's read it. When you ask people to give money to a good cause. Okay? So I think that you got most of these answers correctly before I do them now. Okay? Now let's move to the next part. What's the next and last part? This is a question. Read the biography of Helen Keller. Again, we read it, okay? And decide if these sentences are true or false. True, correct, or false, wrong sentences. And if they are false, correct the sentences. Number 1 is answered. I read the questions from 2 to 8 and then I leave you answer them alone. Okay? Number 2, Helen was 7 years old when she lost her sight and hearing. Number 3, Helen's teacher taught her words by letting her touch objects as well as spell them. Number 4, Helen learned to speak when she was 20 years old. Number 5, Helen learned to read several other languages. Several means many other languages. Number 6, Helen studied at a very good university like college, okay? Number 7, when she wrote her first book, people could only read it in English. Number 8, Helen visited a lot of countries to talk about fair ways to treat blind and deaf people. Now you know what to do. You will pause this video, have a paper and a pen or pencil, write down your answers and then come back to me to check these answers. Go now. Okay, After you did your job, let's do ours together, okay? These are the answers. Number 2 is false. And the correction: Helen was 18 months old when she lost her vision and hearing. She was 18 months old, not 7 years old. Number 3, true. Number 4, false. And the correction: Helen learned to speak when she was 10, not 20, okay? Number 5, true. Number 6, true. And number 7, false. Her first book was translated into 50 languages, not only English, 50 languages. And number 8, the answer is true. Today, we have finished Helen Keller's lesson, and we have finished Unit 1. You will do your homework, answer your worksheets, and next time, inshallah, we will start Unit 2. Okay? Goodbye.